Wang in orange, Iloilo in white. Tip going to Janjan Felicilda. Hernandez steps into a free off the back iron. Cornelius, the rebound.
Good outlet.
Felicilda is gone on the other end. First field goal for Zamboanga. Shot no good from Felicilda, but there to clean it up was Paul Turco.
And because I'm biased,
Paeng Are. Nice pass. Lazaro could hit that shot, and he does. And Zamboanga doing a good job of converting inside the paint. Apart from that jumper from sa kabila ay Felicilda. Janjan, dump off, Turco. Lazaro, the follow-up, gets that one to trickle in.
he was able to draw another defender, open up the offensive rebound. Janjan, another easy layup in transition. So far, tulog pa sila.
Pinasok na nila si Jory Napoles na hindi rin naglaro.
Yun.
Last game, nakapuntos na. Finally, ang Iloilo with that hook shot by James.
Bola.
Tres ni Gabat, wala. Hernandez could not secure it. Lazaro behind the back pass. Luciano, couple of pump fakes. And he gets it to go underneath. Player of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Wraparound pass from Paul Turco, setting up. Sumalaksak, layup, masyadong malakas. Felicilda, nice pass. Gabat to Galisay, likes that shot from the corner, and that's exactly why.
To the other, ang ganda ng sprint sa gitna, no? Ni Renz Gabat, yung pasa ni Janjan na binanggit mo. And obviously, the kick out eventually na tinapos ni Galisay. Hernandez at Galisay, nagpapakiramdaman ngayon.
Gusto mo kay Levy, kahit pa ang laki nun lamang eh. EJ Perez. Reyes, nahanap si Levy Hernandez, rising up for a jumper. Book it! This lineup has length in Christian Bunyag at that center spot. Nice pass and a cut. The basket from Reg Gabat.
Beautiful 45 cut from the weak side.
Napoles rising up over Edsel Rojas. Lista mo na to beat the buzzer. Ito si Achi Inigo, veteran guard. Dapat panday yung word na yan for today. Meanwhile, Napoles off a steal, soars and scores for Iloilo. Babasa siya mang lamang.
Ang bilis bumaba eh. Nakita mo yun? Itong si Are, layup din kagad sa kabila, no? Less than 3 seconds.
Levy Hernandez. Oh! Daming tinamaan noon bago pumasok for his third triple of the ball game. 12 seconds left. Swing pass. John Galinato. Balik kay Paul Turco. Umawa din. Pablaob. 27-17. 9 seconds left sa kanilang shot clock. Nice pass. Cornelius, one-hander. Ayaw pa din.
He should finish this. And he will.
He does. Ian Cornelius brings the lead back. Ibang-iba na siya ngayon. Dati, he was really relying more on his athleticism. Oh, somebody got asleep on that defensive possession.
No, simpleng pasa sa ilalim, simpleng finish din.
Jory Napoles adding on to his...
Very doable.
Kayang-kaya. Let's see if you guys are up to the challenge. Much like, no, they wave it off. Sa alam pumito.
Ito yung galaw. Pick up. There's the foul.
Yeah, that should count.
Not the pickup, pero yung pag-angat. Oh, coach ko yan. I won a championship with him.
Naku, naiwanan din ang libre ito.
Na naman, no?
Kita mo yung celebration. Cervantes likes that shot. Straight but short. Felicilda with a rebound, grabs and goes. Felicilda undeterred by the height of Real Cervantes. Si Napoles halos di na tumalon doon pero nasundutan ni Paeng Are. Now he gets himself free, drives baseline.
Good D.
Naagaw ni Levy Hernandez. Iloilo has done a good job of slowing down the pace.
Except for John Ray. Ang ganda kasi ng box out niya eh.
He's really going right at Josh Lazaro. Uy! Binomba pa ni Dan Sara. And this lead, that rest here. Dan Sara though.
How about the blow by on Mike Are?
Si Paing. Kapit ni Dan Sara. Bit tentative Zamboanga, costing them that possession.
Turnover by Paeng Are.
Yan. Sanga for the lead. Yes, sir! They have fallen out to this 0-2 start, giving the lineup that they have, but playing much better here in the second quarter.
Without Vic Manuel in this game.
Layup from Reg Gabat, balik ang lamang sa Zamboanga. Free, bola na agaw ni Christian Bunyang. Takbo na naman tayo dito. Felicilda will lay it up and in.
Just like that.
Sanga though, working with Ryan Reyes. Paul Sanga, tumikada na naman sa tres. Pasok yan!
It's his second three in this game.
Chance to write the last sentence in this quarter.
How about that? Who would have thought? John Felicilda and Ian Fornillos, who leads the team in rebounding at 10 per game. 3 probably coming from the offensive glass. And right on cue, he will finish off the 6th.
No, sa offensive
Yan ang
rebounding.
hirap sa'yo, Coach Mike. Porket never pa tayo umupo magkasama. Ang finifeed mo ay... You're feeding Einstein.
Quick double team. Nice slide. Reyes though, masyadong malalim. Gabat in transition. Dire-diretso. Binitbet. Lays it up and in. Sanga is free for free. Short. Felicilda the rebound. Outlet to Reg Gabat. Fading away over Dan Sara. Gets that one to drop. Bounce pass inside. Kalisay backdoor cut. Wala. Luciano, right place at the right time.
Part of the offense by Zamboanga. Gets the backdoor here. You force the defense to rotate. Opens up the offensive rebound.
Malaman natin mamaya. Binyan will take on Negros in our third game. Wow, Paeng Are chasing that basketball. Puts it in. Leaving everyone in the dust. Jore at the post. Sizing up JC Luciano. Bola na agaw ng Zamboanga. Fast break opportunity muli. Paul Sanga firing from the corner. Tatalbog palabas. One and done by Iloilo. On the run, Paeng Are, nakabuelo. Lays it up and in. Quarter.
And more importantly, setting the tempo. Look at the fast break numbers as Johnson continues to pour on. That's his shot right there. For Zamboanga compared to only 11 para sa Iloilo. That's really the story of the game.
Hernandez puts it in plus a foul.
He has received most of his credentials from that team, he said, but moving to Iloilo with the other superstars of the league is humbling but also challenging as it is refreshing to play. Kwento nga nila, nung una daw silang nagkita-kita sa practice, parang rookie feels daw ng mga gustong maging relevant pa rin. And they are excited for Season 8. Ken, Coach Chris.
Maraming salamat, Tia. Kung akala mo, Coach Chris, he would finish enduring numerous heartbreaks and milestones, but now entering a new chapter here with Iloilo with a guy like Paul Sanga, who's a dead shot from the outside, knocks down another 3.
Okay, Reg Gabat.
Hernandez against Kalisay again. Bumiretso, puntos na naman. Ay nako, binlock the ball. Look at those guys crashing the offensive glass, leading to this open opportunity. Another one, Kalisay for 3, book it.
With a three-pointer in the end. Perez with a running shot.
Felicilda with rebound number 6. Tumatakbo si Felicilda. And now his 10th assist, a double-double for Jan Felicilda. Going right at Ryan Reyes. No look pass to Reg Gabat from the corner for 3.
What a shot.
Over Levy Hernandez.
Look at the shot. Look at the shot fake, and then that's the advantage.
Total of 12 points. Gabat. Bunyag. Inside.
Nice move.
Yeah. Pinagpag lang yung depensa doon ni Ryan Reyes. Will Cervantes to the post. Levy against Arthur. Ball stolen away by Reg Gabat. Has one guy to beat. Goes airborne, no. 16th rebound. And the 6th point by Inan Fornilos. Bunyag, takbo na naman. Wala, Kalisay. Man, these offensive rebounds. Mag-participate, ayan.
Yes.
Maging bahagi ng Sports Plus 1 Million Challenge.
Palpal! Palpal!
Ayan na. Art Aquino escapes. Gets the basket. Jory Napoles. Rebound. Napoles, derecho. 2 points plus 1.
That is a foul. Yung kagandahan ni Napoles can go right. This time he goes left, finishes with
Reg Gabat gets to his spot. That's pretty much automatic. 17 points for Reg Gabat. Like the balance in scoring here for Zamboanga. 3 guys in double figures. Felicilda leading the way, 13 points, 6 boards, 10 assists.
who looks to be on their way for their first win. You want to build momentum, no? Not only with the win, but how you play. You want to finish strong. Tulad nito.
Kalisa, offensive rebound. All while trying to guard arguably the best player today in Iloilo, in Levy Hernandez. Levy continues to pound him inside.
The ISO on the baseline.
Trying this backward combination of Jan Felicilda and Paing Are. Kadalasan sila yung sabay sa loob. Jan doing mostly point guard duties. Now he takes the 3 and makes it. Doon sa middle portion ng ating South Division standings, like Sarangani. Well, Binyan will play later. Maaga pa lang sa season, pero with this win, Coach Chris, they could really make a head start and make a push.
Still early in the season, obviously. 1 and 2. You get your first win after giving up those 2 losses.
Laban kay Dan Sara. Felicilda peeking at the clock. 9 seconds left on the shot clock. Pocket pass. 11th assist leading to a basket by Med Salim.
Pass to the big man.
No good. Minute and 22 left. Hernandez, derecho.
Rebounds to 23 points and score quickly on the other end with 37 points.
Di pa tapos. Sniper de Mego. Ian Melencio, 34, then 37.
Right.
Then Levy following up that 37-point output with 33 tonight. Getting their first victory here after losing out their first 2 games. At naibaw nila itong Iloilo. Illustrating beautifully this offense by Zamboanga. He is our best player, brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Usually I would say a lot of good things on the best player of the game. I just have one word for Jan. Finally.
And I'm sure you're pretty happy for the guy, despite all that, Coach Chris.
Well, let's not get too excited, but they still have a long way to go.
92-74, Zamboanga at the moment victorious over Iloilo.